Hey, what up, YouTube? My name is Jonathan. I might start doing a few vlogs here and there. So for the first one, we're actually gonna head out to SoFloAuto's. They're gonna be doing a photo shoot for a few people. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need some Starbucks. This thing's super clean. There's a lot more Mustangs and Camaros than any JDM cars. It's literally the Skyline and then the IS that are all JDM here. Everything else is all muscle. Alright guys, so we're about to head out. We already had our driver's meeting. So yeah, we're gonna head out, start getting rollers, and we're all heading out now to Wynwood. Alright, so now we're in Wynwood. We just parked up. We're about to start taking pictures of everybody's cars. Now that's clean. That's a clean truck right there.
That's a nice truck.
That's a nice Chevy.
That's a Chevy that destroys your Chevy, boy.
That's clean. Shout out to Monster. Hooking everybody up with the Monsters. Fuck yeah. Best time to be doing a photo shoot right here. So I guess it's a Monster for a photo shoot then. Not bad. It's just clean as hell. I really like it. Yeah, Two JDM boys over here. 2J NA, RB NA. Now we got a haul ass because someone did a burnout and a donut over there. She's getting wild now. Oh, the handle thing's right there. I guess we're meeting. Oh, that's a nice place. Shut up. Oh wow. All right. So some of us is gonna lose our car here. I'm gonna lose my car here. Oh my God. This is not good for low cars. Ah, I made it! That's a nice spot. Mustangs on this side, the two JDMs, all the Chevys over here. That's actually, not many people know, but that's actually the spot that they filmed Too Fast and Furious on, the part where everybody was getting out after the cops were racing down this road to catch Paul and Rome. That's where they filmed the part where all the guys are coming out. Alright, so we just finished up taking pictures at the wall that we were just at. A few people left, so now we're just gonna go eat at Wendy's and then I'm gonna head home. I might go to K1 Speeds later, but I'm still iffy on that one yet. So I don't know what the hell is going on today here in Wynwood, but there's a lot of bicycles. But yeah, we're gonna head out now to Wendy's. I'm just like, what the hell's going on with all these bikes? And some weird ass bikes. Like, look at that one. There's some weird ass bikes here. Whatever. We hungry, so we're gonna head out. Look at that breaking neck over there. That fucking Jeep's being a bitch to the SoFloAuto, so yeah. But nah, she broke neck. She's being an ass, and we're just parking.
Did you? Yeah, I was.
That lineup. Alright, so we just finished eating. We're all gonna head out to the GB's Games Bridge. Squat it all out. We just finished some Wendy's.
Imagine all of us.
You got me in a mess of trouble again. So just when you think that you're alright, I'm calling out from the inside.
Oh, let's go. Don't forget that too, Jay. Oh, fuck me. So yeah, this is not a place for lowered cars. Definitely not, because I almost lost my lip just now. We got some lowriders over there taking a photo shoot, but we taking over this spot. Huh?
What's the plan?
I have no clue. I almost lost my lip. I'm too low for this shit.
What is plan? Toma aí. Okay.
Is my lip still on?
No, it's gone.
Oh, for real?
No.
Oh, fuck. I would not be surprised, honestly.
Bro, we are doing this.
If I lose my lip, I would not be surprised.
This is as far as I take it.
Yeah, fuck that. This is as far as I'm going.
It's Florida, so you never know.
Damn, I've never been down here, but this is really nice. We got really clean ass over there. We taking over the spots over here. Oh shit. Who's Black Camaro? Who's Black Mustang?
Black Mustang?
Black Mustang with the wing. Over there.
Oh, is that a 2019?
I have no clue. It look wide body. You got that guy Marvin over here from YouTube. Clean.
That looks beautiful.
Oh, damn. Look at that thing.
You trying to park? You trying to take it here?
Got balls, bro.
Look at that. Real clean. I need to do my wide body kit soon. Alright, so we're at the third spot now. We're just chilling here, gonna wait for the sun to start sunning down, and then let the picture start. Look at this. Oh, are you really gonna do it?
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna film that.
Damn.
No, he's got to get out first and then we'll do it.
You did it for
God.
I don't know. I'm surprised.
Oh, he got stuck. Yeah, we gotta push it. Damn. See, guys, this is why you don't buy an Infinity. This dude, holy shit. Yeah, the rocks here are terrible. Woo. Go low, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah, me too, dude. This shit going on YouTube. Let go. Hey.
You were just holding the door over there.
Me? Yeah, I gotta get the clip though.
Do anything.
I fell. I went down.
What's up? Who's calling me?
They.
First mistake before we get to the end.
No, that over there is bad.
Right there, right before it gets.
Go low, they said. It'll be fun, they said. What is your comment to this?
I think, you know what? One, hashtag make America great again. That's number one. Number two, unless he has four-wheel drive, don't go into there. That's
Or unless you're driving a Chevy.
truck. Exactly.
Don't buy Ford.
Recall
Ford
City.
shit.
Recall City.
Recall City. That's a good one. I like that. Yeah, I was recording everything.
Ray.
Yeah, you left my door open too.
Alright, so I had to cut the photo shoot a little early. I had to get going home to pick up my sister. So I might go to K1. If not, I'm not 100% sure just yet. Alright, so I'm cutting the video there. I did not go to K1. I have to do a few school related things, like some homeworks and some projects that I have due. But I will be, this is the first vlog I'm doing. I'm gonna try to do a few more every time there's a car related event or any big car meet. So plan for more of these. I'm gonna also be trying to do installs and just be more active on my YouTube. So until next time, thanks everybody.
You can leave it up to me to never fail or cease to switch it up. I'm still smoking plenty.